Do you need to download your Citi transaction history as a spreadsheet? This video will guide you through the process step by step. Whether it's for budgeting, tax preparation, or reconciliation, exporting your data gives you control over your financial information. You can export your transactions in CSV or XLS format for easy use in spreadsheets. In this video, we will cover exactly how to do that in an easy-to-follow format. First, you'll need to log into your Citi account. You can do this either through the Citi online website on your computer or via the Citi mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you have your username and password ready before starting the login process. For enhanced security, consider using the biometric login options available in the app or enable two-factor authentication for your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section, typically found on the main dashboard. From there, select the specific account you want to download transaction history for, such as your checking or savings account. Next, look for a Transactions or Activity tab to view your transaction history. Now, specify the date range for the transactions you want to download. Citi typically allows you to download up to 24 months of transaction history. You can select your preferred start and end dates within this limit. After setting the date range, find the Download or Export option. You'll usually be prompted to choose a file format. Select either CSV, separated values, or XLS, XLSX, Microsoft Excel, based on your preference and needs. CSV is great for simple data manipulation, while XLS, XLSX preserves formatting and formulas. After selecting your preferred format, initiate the download by clicking the Download button. This starts the export process for your transaction history. Depending on your account settings, you may need to complete a security verification step, such as a CAPTCHA. This helps ensure that you're a legitimate user and protects your account from unauthorized access. The download speed can vary based on factors like file size and network connection, but Citi released a patch in Q3 2025 to improve export speeds by up to 30%. Once the download is complete, the file will be automatically saved to your device's default download location, ready for use. The exported file contains key information about your transactions, including the date, amount, description, and merchant details. This data helps with budgeting, tax preparation, or reconciliation. Here's a sample of how the exported data appears in a spreadsheet format, showing organized columns with financial information. Keep in mind that pending transactions may experience delays in appearing in the export, as they are not yet fully processed. Be aware of limitations on historical data, as some accounts may only offer up to 2 years of transaction history. This transaction history table shows a typical export with dates, details, deposits, withdrawals, and balance information. For security, ensure you're using a secure network when downloading your transaction history. Avoid public Wi-Fi, as it can expose your data to potential interception. Citi encrypts the data during transfer, aligning with PCI DSS standards to ensure your financial information remains secure. After downloading, consider password protecting the file if it contains sensitive information to add an extra layer of protection. In a fraud detection scenario, a Citi customer downloaded their history and used Excel macros to flag anomalies, uncovering a $500 unauthorized charge. This underscores the export's role in self-auditing. It is also important to make sure that all information is correct and the transactions are expected. Looking ahead, the trend of data portability and open banking is growing. Citi integrates with third-party apps like Mint, allowing automated transaction pulls. Citi is also piloting AI-driven categorization in exports, auto-tagging transactions such as groceries versus entertainment using machine learning. By 2027, blockchain-secured exports may become widespread. Stay tuned for these advancements. You can also automate the transfer of this data through APIs by linking your account to apps like You Need a Budget.